Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a DIY 12-cube wardrobe cabinet that are purchased online from Daraz, Nepal. I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to put it together and also sharing my thoughts on the product. First, make sure you have all the necessary pieces and tools. The cabinet should come with a set of instructions and a list of everything you will need. Start by assembling the frame of the wardrobe. This will typically involve attaching the sides, top and bottom panels together using screws and/or connectors. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and take your time to ensure a secure and stable structure. Now it's time to add the hangers. The hangers will go in the middle panel. Next, it's time to add the doors of the wardrobe. The doors will fit perfectly into two connectors and you'll be able to open and close the doors. Finally, give your new wardrobe a good cleaning and organize your clothes and other items inside. Overall, I am really happy with my new wardrobe cabinet. The assembly process was straightforward and the finished product is very sturdy and looks great. The plastic material is also easy to clean and maintain. I do wish the instructions were a bit clearer in some places, but with a little patience, I was able to get everything put together without any major issues. And all in all, I definitely recommend the product to others looking for a budget-friendly and stylish wardrobe solution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for those of you considering purchasing this DIY wardrobe cabinet. If you have any queries or comments, leave them down below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. So this is my review and guide for assembling a DIY 12-cube wardrobe cabinet from Daraz, Nepal. Thanks for watching.